Hey, Pen. Let's roll over. All right. You got it. Let's not get frustrated. You can do it. Pen. Arnold. Yeah. You're pretty happy, right? You wanted to get that toy. Do you want to talk a little bit? You want to say hi? Huh? Do you want to say hello? Any words to say, little guy? Do we have any words to say? Or are we just going to be a little boy? Huh? We're just going to be a little boy? We're just going to be a cutie pants?